what's going on, everybody? The car's back, the car is running. We had a few small issues. I'll explain a few things here in just a minute, but with that, let's get started. Hey, so guys, what's going on? So let me kind of elaborate on what's going on, or tell you what's going on. Tuesday, I picked the car up from Steve. Wednesday and Thursday, I worked on it non-stop. I didn't even get time to film. I apologize. I'm really sorry, guys, but I was trying to get it done. We wanted to make the thing run by Friday, start getting a baseline in it, and just to make sure the motor was good, the transmission was good, because all of it was new to this car. So Friday comes around, you'll see the video in just a minute. So I'll let you see the video of kind of what we were doing and the few things I did get to record and the car running, and then we'll go from there. You mean temperature? Yeah. We're not even warmed up yet. We're good. So that was just kind of a quick view or a quick video of the motor running. You know, some of the little stuff we were doing. Steve's starting to get the base tune in it. He kind of had a tune already designed for his buddy's car. We just kind of threw in it just to make sure everything was functioning. All my sensors were working. The only sensor we don't have hooked up is the flex fuel. And the reason being, I'll turn the camera around and show you, is the flex fuel sensor is running right here. Originally, when me and Steve were talking, I told him I wanted to put the flex fuel sensor on the firewall right there so I could reach it, not realizing how big the flex fuel bypass is. So let me show you that, and then you'll see why real quick. So everybody, I don't have all my camera stuff with me, so I'm just gonna have to use a light. But if you look right here, that is my flex fuel bypass that I mounted to the floor, and the E85 post filter. You also see my trans lines I built, and ignore all the zip ties. You know, unfortunately it's under a car. I don't have any place to put it, and you can kind of see everything running. I do have a leak, it looks like right here. So I might have to take this line back off and cut it and redo it. I'm not sure yet. We will see. But as far as other leaks, I didn't really see any. Now, if you look at the mufflers, they're about to come off. I got to get a muffler that goes through better. But that's, I mean, really about it. I mean, I did a lot under the car that you can't even tell. Now, I do have to take this off, and we're going to have to redo it. I have a couple exhaust leaks. And let me lower the car down and we'll talk about it. Unfortunately, we ran into a few problems, and I'll tell you what they are and I guess how I'm going to try to fix it. So guys, when I say we ran into a few problems, we ran into a few kind of small problems. One of them's a pain. One of them's right here. I got a small seep around the fitting. I'm going to try to tighten it up some more or check it. I might try to see if I can seal it up with something. Another problem is you can't see it, but right here on the radiator, somehow the radiator got dinged at some point between going to 3 different houses and everybody working on it. It happens. I'm dropping it off Monday to be repaired. Unfortunately, when we went to run the car, we couldn't run it long because of the fact that I had a hole in the radiator. There was no real coolant. So with that, radiator's coming out today, taking it Monday. They said they should have it back by Tuesday. It'll be back in. The other problem is though, I gotta try to fix right here. This band clamp, something's wrong with it. This V-band is not sealing up worth the crap. Steve thinks the other one's not sealing up great either. We're not sure yet. I will check it. We'll go from there. But I mean, that's really about it. All the electronics were great. Steve did a heck of a job. I mean, as soon as we fired it, it hit and it ran. I do have to adjust my idle air still, but that's no big deal. I mean, that's just a throttle body. But we didn't get to drive the car, not only because of the radiator, but in all the crunch time, me trying to do stuff, I still got to build a bracket from here to here for the throttle cable. I mean, I was trying to get, well, here's my list. I was trying to get all this stuff, besides this is for later, but all this stuff done in 2 days. So I was out here late every night. I didn't get time to film because I was trying to get it done. But it runs, it sounds good. I've got good oil pressure. That's the main thing. So guys, with that, I know it's not a lot to go on, but please like and subscribe. I've got more videos coming this week, but unfortunately I didn't have time to film. So I will be filming as I fix all these other repairs though. So just stick with me and you'll see a lot more stuff. So guys, we're at least up to the point running. I appreciate everybody standing behind me. Hopefully we'll have it on the street by next Saturday, because I think it's next Saturday. Pretty sure it's next Saturday. Next Saturday there's a car show I'm trying to go to. So with this car. So we'll see what happens. If it's all running and driving, I guess we'll go from there. So I appreciate it. Till next time guys, we'll see you later.